Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and I'm coming to you from the SLS Hotel here in Las Vegas. I'm here for the Mo Supercharged Summit. Today was an exciting day because today was a check presentation ceremony. That is where Mo posed their big affiliates on stage to present them with a check for all their hard work. And I received a check. Check this out. I received a check for $4,125,554. Now, this check represents what I made from Mo since joining the company about 5 years ago. And it's been truly amazing because the last time I was here was back in October. That was 4 months ago. And the check amount back then was for $3.4 million. It is now $4.125 million. That means in 4 months, I added $725,000 to this check amount. So wow, pretty damn awesome. And I know the first question you're probably having is, how can I get involved with this? How do I do this? Well, trying to explain it would take a book to explain all this. Fortunately, I wrote one. All right, so below this video is a link to my ebook called The Ultimate Online Profit Model. This ebook details the 3 business models that I use to make money online and live the .com lifestyle. If you don't have a copy, you definitely need to get a copy. Links below this video. Go get your copy. And me, I need to figure a way to get this back to Orange County. I'm not gonna fit in a plane, so anyway, it's the kind of problem I have, okay? So enjoy, guys. See you next time.